Hi everyone, we're going to make a super easy little bunny. Stay with me until the end. You're going to love it. Using scraps and a cap from a milk or soda carton, I cut a 20-centimeter cord, tied a knot at the end, and folded it in half. Glue it here. I cut a 13-centimeter circle, and I'm going to make a yo-yo. But you have to make this little fold here so the yo-yo has a neat finish. Just do this here. Keep folding and basting. I basted it. Put the little caps inside and pull. Look at that. That's why you have to make the little hem so it looks nice down here. Now, we make a little stitch to finish it off. And then, make a little stitch so the leg stays attached here. Really nicely, see? Pass the needle through there, between the leg and the yo-yo. The little paw, right? Because this is a little bunny. And finish it off. I cut 30 centimeters of embroidered ribbon and I'm going to baste all the way around. You can use a little lace trim too. I made the head with a 7-centimeter circle, and to make the yo-yo, I used an 11-centimeter circle. Guys, use fabric scraps that you have at home. Use your creativity. Each bunny will turn out even cuter than the last. If you don't have any fabric scraps, just ask a seamstress for some and it'll work out. There are a lot of girls who tell me they started out this way. They started with fabric scraps and now they're making money. I cut a 19-centimeter cord and tied a knot at the end. Check if it's right. A little bit of glue. I cut a 6-centimeter circle, fold it in half, and fold it again. I'm going to baste it. And the ear is ready. Easy and quick. Guys, tell me. Easy. You can make it to give as a gift or to sell. It's a little gift for you to add to your Easter goodies. I drew the little face with a Micron 005 pen and acrylic fabric paint. Look how beautiful it is, everyone. I'm in love with it. Super easy, super quick, and using materials that would have ended up in the trash. If you liked this video, like it, share it, leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.